I'm making a very quick stir-fry slash saute dish today, and it's a little bit different. And I've started by sauteing a pound of chicken. This is chicken breast that I've cut into little bite-sized pieces. You can also use chicken thighs. Either one works equally well. And I've done that in some coconut oil. I'm going to add just a little bit more coconut oil to this pan that is sizzling, sizzling hot. And I'm going to add some mushrooms. That's about half a pint of mushrooms. Let me give it a stir. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of salt. And I'm also going to add some pepper. And what is absolutely delicious about this dish is that we're going to use dates. So as you're eating this, you're going to get this gorgeous pop of sweetness that is so wonderful in this dish. And this dish, being that it's a stir fry, one of my favorite things to do on a weeknight is do a stir fry because it comes together so quickly. And then once the mushrooms just start to wilt down a little bit, I'm going to add in a healthy rib of celery, tops and all, because the tops are so flavorful. And these are 6 mini peppers. You can use a regular pepper if you want, but the mini peppers are so sweet. I really like to use them in stir fries. I maybe should have started with a bigger pan because this is going to be very plentiful. As this continues to cook down just a little bit, I still want a lot of crispness on this. I'm going to add in ginger. My favorite way to use ginger is simply to bring it home, give it a good wash, put it in a plastic bag in your freezer, and then when it comes out, you'll see that I've been using this a lot. But all you have to do is use a grater slash zester like this. And it just gives you this gorgeous, you don't have to peel it or anything. And you can add as much ginger as you want to this. I want to go for about a tablespoon of grated ginger. So I just have to use a little pressure. And already it smells amazing. There's the ginger, and now I need 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to do these the same way. And it makes it really easy to get a nice fine grate slash zest on your garlic so it can disperse throughout your dish very evenly. You can see that on there. Perfect. Give it another mix. Ooh. That garlic and ginger is hitting my nose and it's so good. Now, if you like a little bit of spice, some chili flake. These are Aleppo chili flake, which are not quite as hot as regular chili flake, but they're also smoky and florally, so I love to use them. You can find them online. And then here are my dates, which are about 6 chopped pitted dates. And those dates are almost going to help it make a sweet, sticky syrup as you're stirring it through all these veggies. I'm going to add my chicken back in. And then I need to add about a 1/4 cup or so of coconut aminos. Now, coconut aminos are the nectar of the coconut flour. It's a delicious gluten-free alternative to soy sauce that tastes a little bit more like tamari, but I love to use it. And it just, that's all there is to the sauce in this. Between the dates and the coconut aminos, it makes this nice glaze for everything, and with the ginger and garlic, super flavorful. I'm going to let this cook just a minute more, and then we're going to serve it on my turmeric and cilantro rice, which is perfect with this. There's that lovely turmeric and cilantro rice. Really easy to make. I did this in a ring mold just so it would look really special. And then I want to serve this lovely saute slash stir fry over it, and I can see those bits of date in there that are so delicious. And then we got to give it a taste. A little bit of everything. Wow. This is so flavorful. The dates make it. I love the crunch and the freshness of celery in this. And that chicken coated with the ginger, garlic, and date. The sauce that the date kind of wilted down and made for this dish is just fabulous. Right, give it a try. The recipe's on taylorkitchen.net.